multiplication when multiplier is 1001. This is specific method of multiplication and is applied when multiplier is 1001, right? So let us first read and understand algorithm. If multiplicand contains n number of groups of 3 digits, then answer will be written in n plus 1 parts. Group of 3 digits are formed starting from right side to left side, and leftmost group may contain 1 or 2 digits. See, let us understand it first. If given multiplicand is 265, see, this is multiplication. 265 multiplied by 1001. If given multiplicand is 265, then the first step is you have to form groups starting from right side in such a way that every group will contain 3 digits. Now there are 3 digits in the given multiplicand 265, so there will be only one group, right? Okay. Now, how to calculate leftmost part and rightmost part of an answer? Leftmost part is leftmost group of 3 digits in multiplicand. Now, as there is one group only in the given multiplicand, because there are 3 digits in multiplicand 2, 6 and 5, there is one group only. So this group is considered as leftmost group and rightmost group, right? Leftmost part of an answer is leftmost group of 3 digits in multiplicand, and rightmost part of an answer is rightmost group of 3 digits in multiplicand. So you will have to write answer in 2 parts. Why? Because n is equal to 1. What is n? N is number of groups in the given multiplicand. So n is 1 here. So number of parts in which we will write answer is n plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We will need to write 2 groups only. What is second step? Middle part or parts. Writing middle part or parts of an answer. Sum of the groups of 3 digits considered from left to right. Now let us understand this second step when we will solve examples. Okay. Now important note. Here multiplier is 1001. So nearest base for given multiplier 1001 is 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. It means that except leftmost group, in each group we need to have 3 digits. Why? Because there are 3 zeros in the nearest base. Base for what? Base for given multiplier 1001. Okay. Except leftmost part, each part should retain 3 digits. So if extra digit, it should be passed to its immediate left, and if deficit of digits, then in that part sufficient number of zeros should be written at the left of existing digits, so that number of zeros in the nearest base and number of digits in the parts except leftmost part should be equal. Now friends, let us solve, let us practice these 5 examples. First example is 27 multiplied by 1001. First example is 27 multiplied by 1001. What is multiplicand? 27. So let us write multiplicand as it is. Now first step is form groups in the given multiplicand in such a way that every group will contain 3 digits, but there are 2 digits in the given multiplicand, so there will be only one group. This group contains 2 digits. Okay, as there is one group only, this group will be considered as leftmost group and rightmost group. Here in this example, n is equal to 1. What is n? Number of groups in the multiplicand. As n is equal to 1, it means that we will have to write answer in n plus 1 parts. That means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 parts. Which are those 2 parts? Left part and right part. Now first step is, what is leftmost part of an answer? Leftmost group in the multiplicand is leftmost part of an answer. So write 27 as it is in leftmost part. What is rightmost part? Rightmost group of an multiplicand is rightmost part of an answer. What is rightmost part? 27 only. So write 27 as it is. Okay, let us give a slash to separate these two parts. Now, balancing. See, let us read important note once again. Here multiplier is 1001. So nearest base for 1001 is 1000. Except leftmost part, each part should retain 3 digits. So if extra digit, it should be passed to its immediate left. And if deficit of digits, then in that part, sufficient number of zeros should be written at the left of existing digits. Except leftmost part, each part should retain 3 digits. Why? Because base for given multiplier is 1000. How many zeros are there in the base 1000? 3 zeros. So we need to have 3 digits in all parts except leftmost part. So starting this process of balancing from right side, consider rightmost part. How many digits we have? 2 digits only. That means it is an example of deficit of digits. At such time, write 10 at the left of existing digits so that number of digits in this part and number of zeros in the base should be equal or will become equal. There were 2 digits only in the right part, so we wrote 10 at the left side of existing digits. Why do we write 0 at the left side of existing digits? Because if we write 0 here at the right of existing digits, then that will increase the value of this 27 and it will become 270. Now we have balanced an answer. Now it is time to write final answer. Multiplicand is 27. What is multiplier? 1001, which is equal to. Start writing answer from leftmost part. What is leftmost part? 27. Remove slash and write rightmost part. What is rightmost part? 0 to 7. 0 to 7. Our answer is 27,027. Now it is time to check if our answer is correct or not. Let us calculate Bijank of left hand side and calculate Bijank of right hand side. So calculate Bijank. Let us calculate Bijank of 27 multiplied by 1001 and let us calculate Bijank of 27,027. So let us calculate Bijank. 2 plus 7, 9 multiplied by 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 2, which is equal to 2 plus 7, 9. Leave it. 2 plus 7, 9. Right? 9 twos are, which gives us 9 twos are 18 equal to 9, which gives us 1 plus 8, 9. See, we need to have Bijank in the form of a single digit, but there are 2 digits here. So we add it again to get single digit. So 1 plus 8, 9 equal to right hand side 9. So both sides are tallied. This 9 is Bijank of left hand side and this 9 is Bijank of right hand side. Both sides are equal. Right? Bijank of both sides are equal, so we are correct. Next example. Second example, 365 multiplied by 1001. Second example is 365 multiplied by 1001. What is multiplier in this example? 365. First step is form groups in the given multiplicand in such a way that every group will contain 3 digits and leftmost group may contain 1 or 2 digits. And do this process of forming groups starting from right side to left side. So let us form group 1, 2, 3. There is only one group in the given multiplicand because there are 3 digits in the given multiplicand. right? So as there is one group only, this group will be understood or will be considered as leftmost group and rightmost group, right? So let us calculate answer. How many groups are there? One group. That means n is equal to 1. What is n? N is number of groups in given multiplicand. There is single group, one group, so n is equal to 1. It means that we need to calculate answer in n plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We need to write answer in two parts. Which are those two parts? Left part and right part. So let us multiply. What is first step? To calculate leftmost part. What is leftmost part? Leftmost group in the given multiplicand is leftmost part. So write 365 as it is. 365. Give a slash to separate left part and right part of an answer. What is rightmost part? Rightmost group in the given multiplicand is rightmost part. So write 365 as it is in the rightmost part. In this way we have calculated two parts. Now it is time to balance an answer to get final answer. Right? How to balance? See, base is 1000. Base for what? Base for given multiplier 1001. Nearest base for 1001 is 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. It means that we need to retain 3 digits in all parts except leftmost part. Start this process of balancing from right to left. So consider rightmost part first. 365. Yes, we have 3 digits already. So no need to do any changes. So let us write final answer. What is multiplicand? 365 multiplied by 1001, which is equal to, start writing answer from left hand side. What is leftmost part? 365. Write 365 as it is. Remove slash and write rightmost part as it is. 365. So this is answer. Now let us check if our answer is correct or not. Let us calculate Bijank of left hand side and right hand side. 3 plus 6, 9. Leave it. Write 5 as it is. Multiplied by 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 2, which is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. Leave it. 3 plus 6, 9. Leave it. 5 plus 5, 10. Which gives us 5 2s are 10 equal to 10. But we need Bijank in the form of a single digit. So add these two digits 1 and 0 once again to get single digit. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Both sides are equal and we are correct. Tallied. Next example. Third example, 6578. Third example is 6578 multiplied by 1001. Okay, what is multiplicand? Multiplicand is 6578. Write multiplicand here, 6578. How many digits? 4 digits, 6, 5, 7 and 8. So the first step is form groups in such a way that there will be 3 digits in each group, and form groups starting from right hand side, right to left, right to left. Okay, so this is first group and this is second group. There are 2 groups in the given multiplicand. First group from right side contains 3 digits and second group from right side contains 1 digit only. In the leftmost group, 1 digit or 2 digits are allowed. So how many groups are there in the multiplicand? 2. That means n is equal to 2. It means that we will have to write answer in n plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 parts. 3 parts. Which are those 3 parts? Leftmost part, middle part and right part. These are the parts in which we are going to write answer. What is leftmost part? Leftmost part is leftmost group of given multiplicand. What is leftmost group? 6 only, one digit only. So write 6 as it is. What is rightmost part? Rightmost part is rightmost group in the given multiplicand. What is rightmost group? 578. So write 578 as it is in the rightmost part. Give a slash to separate these parts. Now calculate middle part. See friends, from left side, this is first group and this is second group. You have to add these two groups. See, you have to add these two groups. Two groups means numbers in the two groups, and write the sum in middle part. So let us add. To calculate middle part, let us add these two groups. 6 plus 578. Now 578 plus 6 is 584. Write 584 in middle part. Yes, now we have calculated answer. We have written answer in three parts. Now it is time to balance answer. How do we balance? What is base for multiplier 1001? Obviously it is 1000. Count the number of zeros. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. It means we need to have 3 digits in all parts except leftmost part. So start this process of balancing from right side. Consider rightmost part first. How many digits are there? 5, 7 and 8. 3 digits. So already we have 3 digits. No need to do any changes. Come to middle part. How many digits are there? 5, 8 and 4. 3 digits. So no need to do any changes. So already it is balanced. Now it is time to remove slash and write final answer. What is multiplicand? 6, 5, 7, 8. 6, 5, 7, 8 multiplied by 1001, which is equal to. Start writing answer from leftmost part. What is leftmost part? 6. Write 6 as it is. Remove slash. Write middle part 584. Remove slash and write rightmost part 578. 578. Now friends, this is answer. Now let us apply Bijanka method and check if this answer is correct or not. Let us calculate Bijanka of left hand side and right hand side. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 8, 26. Multiplied by Bijanka of 1001 is 2, because 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. Should be equal to 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23 plus 5, 28, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 plus 8, 43, 43. Now 26 twos are 52, 43. We need to have Bijanka in the form of a single digit. So add these two digits again to get single digit. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Yes, tally it. Bijanka of both sides are equal. So we are correct. Next example. Fourth example. 85,478. Fourth example. 85,478 multiplied by 1001. What is multiplicand? 85,478. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 digits in the given multiplicand. Now, first step is to form groups in the given multiplicand in such a way that every group will contain 3 digits and leftmost group may contain 1 or 2 digits. So this is first group and this is second group. Please remember, we are going to form groups starting from right side, right to left, right? Now in this multiplicand there are 2 groups, first group and second group. 2 groups, that is n is equal to 2. It means friends, we are going to write answer in n plus 1. That means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 parts. We are going to write answer in 3 parts. Which are those 3 parts? Left part, middle part and right part. Left part, middle part and right part. So let us write first leftmost part of an answer. So what is leftmost part of an answer? Leftmost part of an answer is leftmost group in the multiplicand. So write 85 as it is in the left part. What is rightmost part of an answer? Rightmost part of an answer is rightmost group in the multiplicand. What is rightmost group in the multiplicand? 478. So write 478. Let us draw a slash to separate these three parts. Now let us calculate middle part. What is middle part? To calculate middle part, add first group and second group. See, to calculate middle part, add first group, that means number 85, and second group, that means number 478. So 85 plus 478 is equal to how much? 5 plus 8, 13, write 3, carry 1. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16, carry 1. 4 as it is, 4 plus 1, 5. So 478 plus 85 is 563. So middle part is 563. So write 563 as it is in the middle part. Now we have written answer in three parts. Now let us balance this answer to get final answer. Start the process of balancing from right side, right to left. What is base? Base is 1000. How many zeros are there in the base? 3 zeros. It means we need to retain 3 digits in all parts except leftmost part. So starting this process from right side, consider rightmost part. How many digits are there? 4, 7 and 8, 3 digits. So no need to make any changes because already we have 3 digits. Now come to middle part. How many digits? 3 digits. So no need to make any changes. So right part and middle part contains 3 digits each. Now let us write final answer. What is multiplicand? 85478. 85478 multiplied by 1001 is equal to. Start writing answer from leftmost part. Write leftmost part 85 as it is. Write middle part 563 and write rightmost part 478. Correct? Now let us apply Bijanka method and verify if this answer is correct or not. Let us calculate Bijanka of left hand side and right hand side and tally. So 8 plus 5, see, leave this 5 and 4 because 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 8, 23. Write 23 multiplied by 2. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 6, 3, leave this. 5 and 4, leave this 2 digits. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. Right? 23 2s are 46. 28, which gives us 4 plus 6, 10, and 2 plus 8, 10. Again 2 digits. So again add these 2 digits and get single digit. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 sides are tallied and we are correct. Next example. Fifth example, 5,24,516. Fifth example is 5,24,516 multiplied by 1001. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 digits in the given multiplicand. Let us write given multiplicand 5, 2, 4, 5, 1, 6. There are total 6 digits in the multiplicand. First step is to form groups in the given multiplicand in such a way that every group will contain 3 digits and form the groups starting from right side, right to left, right to left. So 3 digits, 1 group and 3 digits, second group. So there are 2 groups, first group and second group. There are 2 groups, it means that n is equal to 2. It means that we need to write answer in 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 parts. We need to write answer in 3 parts. See, what is n? N is number of groups in the given multiplicand. And what is this 3? 3 is number of parts in which we are going to write answer. Which are those 3 parts? Left part, middle part and right part. Step number 1 is to calculate left part, is to write leftmost part of an answer. What is leftmost part of an answer? Leftmost group in the multiplicand is leftmost part of an answer. So write 524, which is leftmost group in leftmost part of an answer. So write 524 as it is. 524 as it is. Draw a slash. What is rightmost part of an answer? Rightmost group in the multiplicand is rightmost part of an answer. So write 516 as it is in rightmost part. 516. Draw a slash. Now we are going to calculate middle part. How to calculate middle part? First group and second group. Just add these two groups. Right? Just add these two groups. See what is step? Sum of the groups of 3 digits considered from left to right. We are going to add starting from left to right. So add first group and second group. Okay, and write that sum in middle part. So middle part is equal to 524, which is first group, plus 516. 516. Let us add 4 plus 6, 10, 2 plus 2, 4 and 5 plus 5, 10. Right? So 1040 is middle part. 1040 is middle part. Now friends, we have written answer in 3 parts. Now let us balance it. Base is 1000. How to balance? Write base first. Count the number of zeros in the base. How many zeros? 3 zeros. It means we need to retain 3 digits in all parts except leftmost part. So let us retain 3 digits only in right part and middle part. So starting this process from right side, consider rightmost part 516, 3 digits. Already we have 3 digits, so no need to make any changes. Now come to middle part. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Yes friends, it means that we have 1 extra digit in the middle part. So let us retain these 3 digits, 0, 4 and 0. Always count the number of digits to be retained starting from right to left. If you are going to retain 3 digits, then count those 3 digits starting from right side. 1, 2 and 3, and extra digits. Higher place digits are considered to be extra digits, right? So 1 is extra digit here, and pass this 1 to left part. So passing means adding 524 plus this 1, which is equal to 525. Now 525 is leftmost part of an answer. Don't consider this now. So we have balanced it. Now let us write final answer. What is multiplicand? 5 to 4, 516. 5 to 4, 516 multiplied by 1001 equal to, start writing answer from leftmost part. What is leftmost part? 525. 525. What is middle part? 040. What is rightmost part? 560. So this is answer. Now friends, you can check answer by applying Bijanka method. Calculate Bijanka of left hand side and calculate Bijanka of right hand side. Leave this 2, 1 and 6 because 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 9. So 5 plus 4, 9. Leave these 2 digits also. So write 5 as it is. 5 multiplied by 2 equal to. Now 5, leave this 5 and 4 because 5 plus 4 is 9. Leave this 2, this 1 and this 6, because 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 9. Now 5 plus 5, 10, which gives us 5 2s are 10 is equal to 10, 2 digits. So let us reduce it to a single digit by adding these 2 digits, 1 plus 0, 1 and 1 plus 0, 1. Tally it, both sides are equal. It means we are correct, friends. So in this way multiplication is done when multiplier is 1001. This is fast method and you can calculate answer within few seconds only.